here has some free wood chips. So I came out with some bags. I usually have a big trash can. I put the bags. But this was like gold. So I came over here to get my little share. I got 3 bags. I'm gonna fill up, take it back. I have some compost. I'm gonna lay that down. That's my first layer. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put some chopped leaves on top of that. And this will sit on top of my beds until spring.
Get the money right. Cash App will be down below and things. I need $1,000. Oh my God. Let me do it because I feel like I'll do it faster than you. Okay, I'll do it. What about the planting in the fall? Just planting in the fall. Okay.
Nice, healthy. No pesticides, no nothing. Make screens for the night.
Okay, in this video.